This is how I solved example 6 of the Pentesterlab vulnerability with XSS. So this here, as you can see, I just opened it up in Vim. We are executing the script tag here with this onArrow method, which is running this prompt. It will automatically run this little, I guess you could call it a function, because a function is what makes it run because of this. So there's no source, and it's saying, okay, well, if there's an error with the loading image, then execute this. I did this previously. Example 6 was a little bit difficult to kind of obfuscate. So what I did was I just added a script tag, but without the T at the end of it, so that it will like purposely fail to execute whatever this is. But that's already been filtered out. So if I go ahead and just paste that in again, this is what happens. See? And if I change it up a bit, let's do, I mean, you can do prompt. You don't have to do that, but you can do, I guess, could you do alert? Let's give it a go. Yeah, you can do alert. There we go. That's how you would do it. And then you basically just do everything that I did in the last video. So if you can do alert, you can do other things. So let me just edit this. So instead of prompt, you could do alert, whatever. We do alert. Then I change the document body background. I just want to see if this will execute again. So background. I guess we don't actually have to do background color, but we're doing document.body.background. I guess style. Is it style? Body style background. Oh no, sorry, body style background is equal to red. Oh, by the way, we don't have to do red. We could do we'll do light gray. So let's see if this works. So if we copy this and we paste it in here, oh, it didn't work. Why did it do that? Okay, let me just exit it. Let me just cat xss.sh. Let's copy this. Let's just try this. I don't know, did I write that correctly? Light gray, and as you can see, it has changed the background to light gray. So therefore, the client XSS vulnerability is still vulnerable on this application, and we managed to bypass this filtering in the PHP code, because obviously it doesn't realize that we're not fully escaping the characters. So that's why when you see this, we're not fully escaping the characters in the parameter which we are executing from. So maybe in the PHP code, there's an array of like certain words that, like for example, script, but I didn't add that fully. And then what I did was, outside of that, I added that, right? And then I executed the rest of the code which I want to happen. So on error, execute this method in JavaScript, alert document.body style background light gray, which will actually just change the background color to light gray. Once it runs the alert method, it would also execute this function. I guess you can call it a function. Document.body is just selecting the body and changing the style to light gray. So we're basically forcing it to change the property of the background color in CSS. But that's how we know that it is vulnerable to client-side XSS. Therefore, we can, if you were to send this to someone else, it would also affect them as well. So it's not stored, it's client-based, because if we take this away and then, it's back to normal. But that's how we identify that, and that's how we bypass it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next example.